Welcome to a state-of-the-art pharmaceutical factory, where precision meets innovation.
Production starts with carefully stored, high-quality raw materials.
Accurate weighing ensures every capsule contains the exact dosage required.
Powders are blended uniformly for consistent quality.
Empty capsules are sorted and prepared for filling.
Automated machines fill capsules with precision and efficiency.
Each capsule is sealed to ensure medicine integrity. Quality control monitors every capsule to guarantee perfection. Samples are tested continuously to ensure safety and compliance.
Automated counting ensures every package has the exact quantity.
Capsules are carefully packaged to maintain quality and shelf life.
Labels provide crucial information, including batch number and expiry date.
A final inspection ensures every package meets stringent standards.
Finished products are stored safely, ready for distribution. Efficient logistics ensure timely delivery to pharmacies worldwide.
Every step, from raw material to finished product, is carefully monitored.
Modern technology ensures efficiency and consistency across the factory.
Packaging is designed to protect capsules during transport and storage. Storage is optimized for safety and quick retrieval for distribution. From factory to pharmacy, every capsule is tracked and ready for delivery. Excellence in every capsule, quality in every step.
From raw powders to finished medicine, every capsule tells a story of precision, care, and innovation in the pharmaceutical industry.